Marcos Medina's voice quivered as he described to jurors the last time he saw his stepbrother, 10-year-old Anthony Martinez, alive. He told jurors that Duncan put a knife to Anthony's head and forced him into his car. Marcos, who at the time was 6 years old, says Duncan lured them into an alley by offering them $1 to help find a cat. When they couldn't find the cat, Duncan grabbed Marcos, but he fell to the ground and got away. Duncan then kidnapped Anthony. Anthony's naked body was found a few days later in a canyon. Jurors also learned in detail how Duncan killed 11-year-old Sammy Jo White and 9-year-old Carmen Cubias in July of 1996. Duncan picked up the pair as they walked down a busy street in North Seattle. Duncan told investigators he took the girls to a wooded area and hit them in the head with a crowbar. Their bodies weren't discovered until 18 months later. Duncan told FBI agents right after his arrest in Coeur d'Alene the girls were his first revenge for going to jail, adding Anthony's murder was revenge against society for going back to jail for probation violation. It's testimony Duncan's standby counsel tried to throw out, saying it was not relevant to how dangerous he will be in prison. This is the first time Duncan's team has argued for him since the sentencing trial began. Judge Lodge ruled against the defense, saying the killings are relevant because it shows a pattern of violence. Jurors will weigh their decision based off all the evidence presented so far, how dangerous he will be in the future, and any mitigating factors Duncan may argue, such as a change in character. Without jurors present, Duncan corrected Judge Lodge, saying, quote, "I was on a vendetta. I am no longer." A poem Duncan wrote just a few days after Anthony Martinez disappeared was also presented to jurors today. In that poem, Duncan writes that he has no feelings for his victim. Reporting in Boise, Annie Bishop, KXLY4 HD News.